I just finished painting my brick wall background, and while it's drying, I'm gonna make a fun little light fixture. It's gonna look like bubbles. And I've had this idea for at least a year. In fact, I bought this guy at IKEA like maybe 6 years ago when I was pregnant with my first child. It's time to do something with it. So we're gonna put all this together. Gonna wanna see the results. All right. Just gonna open all these, and they have a little spot at the top to hang them from. I'm just gonna use clear fishing line so you don't really see it. Whoop, hey. They give me 2 of the same side? I will glue you if I have to. The links to all the materials is gonna be below, so if you're interested, you can just click over and order. Okay, they did. They gave me like the same side. We're down 2 bubbles. Not happy about it. I think this used to be white and it's yellowed. Clear bulb is gonna let out a little more light. It's invisible. Can you even see it? This is 10 pound test line. So it can hold up to 10 pounds, I guess. If you're not a Fixture person, they sell it at Walmart. We want our bubbles to cover up the bulb. Tie another little knot here. Let's see. One bubble, that's so cute. The paint will be dry by the time I'm done with this. Okay. If you don't have a friend to hold your light fixture for you, maybe even put a nail in the wall or something. Coat rack, something to help you hold the light fixture. Okay, this would be so cute, like hanging next to a bed as a nightlight or a lamp, or you can hang it, you know, make a couple of them and hang them as pendants. I'm gonna hang it right over here, probably once I get the wall decorated, and just kind of have it, kind of have it dangling there.